Hey everyone, my name is Yoslin. I work for Orientation and New Student Programs as a senior staff, and I just graduated with my bachelor's degree in public health. Here on the top of the homepage, you're going to want to click on the catalog tab. And once you click on that, you will see that this is the 2020-2021 University Catalog. First, I'm going to go into academic programs. So here's where you can look at specific majors, and today I'm going to be going to Public Health and Health Services Administrations. And this will give you a short little summary on each of the majors. And then if you go on program info, you can go to the Bachelor of Science in Public Health, and then it'll give you all the requirements and courses that you need to take. Once you get here, you'll see that there's a 4-letter abbreviation followed by 3 numbers. So every course at Chico State will have a 4-letter abbreviation and 3 numbers following it. If you go on here, you can see the title, and if you click on it, it'll give you a brief summary on what the course is about. Over here, you can see that it has numbers. So this 4 means that this class is 4 units, this one's 3 units, and so forth. And then over here, it says FS. F means that it's in the fall, and S means that it's in the spring. So this course is available in both the fall and the spring. And then if you scroll down and see that it says FA, that means it's only available in the fall, and then courses like this are only available in the spring. If it has a GE next to it, that means it's on the GE planning sheet. And then if you don't know what some of these mean or you forget, you can go on academic programs and click on course description, symbols, and terms, and it'll give you a little explanation of what each of them means. And so if we go back to academic programs and public health, you can also find department info here, the faculty, and the courses that they have to offer. And if, let's say, you're on here and you see NFSC and you don't know what it means, you can go on the courses tab and scroll down. And then here it is. And you can just hover over it and know that it's nutrition and food sciences. Then if you specifically click on it, you can see all the courses that are available under nutrition and food sciences. Another thing you could do if you don't necessarily know what a course is, you can just search up something like yoga, and then you will see that it's under kinesiology 169. The next thing is the degree maps. So you can click on the degree maps and then click on this link right here. And then it'll give you all the colleges. So public health is under the College of Behavioral and Social Sciences. You can click on that and then click on public health. And it'll give you a sort of map that you can follow if you want to, and of what courses you should take each semester. So these are the courses suggested for the first semester. But again, you don't necessarily have to follow it like this. During orientation, you'll specifically learn like what fall under GE area A1 and A3. Another great resource available through the catalog is on the Admissions, Advising, Records, and Registration tab. If you hover over that and go down to Credit by Examination, you can see what your AP exams transferred to. This is a valuable resource that I hope you find helpful. Welcome to the Wildcat family.